Mabuhay, and welcome to my Philippines, where I will show you how I created this painting. So let's get right into it. So here I'm drawing out a picture that you see on my tablet, and this quick video will be mostly just coloring these with my Tombow watercolor brush pens. As you can see, they blend very well, and sometimes the key thing to do is just wipe them on something to clear off what they have. And if you also noticed, I do tend to use some acrylic paints just to do some other touch-ups and stuff. I find using both together can make some very amazing art. And this is how I've developed my style, is to use acrylic paints and watercolor markers. As you can see, I do have a distinct style. Mabuhay, and welcome back to my Philippines, where I continue doing the jackfruit drawing, or at least should I say coloring, with my Tombow watercolor dual tip brush pens. They have the brush on one end and the fine tip on the other. And as you briefly saw, I use a brush because I also use some acrylic paints to do some other kind of blending for lighter or darker. And as you can see, I also do it slightly different than the first one because I like trying different ways of doing leaves, seeing how they work, because that's what art is, usually experimentation. And soon you're going to see me do the table. And after that, we're going to go for another video and to do the jackfruit. So please subscribe and follow me finishing this cool drawing. Mabuhay, and welcome to part 3. This time I'm doing the outer shells of the jackfruits. In this video I was trying to do a few different ways. Obviously, as you first saw, I did the base coat, and I thought I was just going to draw the little circles for the the rounded rough parts, but I wasn't too happy, so I switched it up and just went with a different direction, again using a bit more paint this time, and then also went right back to using the brush pens with after I dried it. And the next one I'll be doing the cut pieces, and if you want to see more, just subscribe, and I am putting this together for my long form. Mabuhay, and welcome back. Here's the last part of the jackfruit video, part 4, where I'm doing the inside of the fruits using mostly yellow tones and some browns. And obviously you might see me using the paintbrush. I'm using whites to soften the tones a bit. But I'm thankful that I was able to do this and show you my process from start to finish. And we'll continue to do this with many more that have to do about the Philippines, whether it's food, places, people. And I just want to show you what excites me about the Philippines. And I just hope that you enjoyed this. So if you could subscribe so we can both enjoy this together, and I can show you more about how I do things, and you can suggest anything to me and I'll see what I can do. And let's go.